Have you ever thought why some people achieve extraordinary results while others struggle to change? The answer is often not a huge life transformation. The real power is hidden in small daily actions. Today, we are going to understand the key ideas from the book Atomic Habits by James Clear, a book that explains how tiny changes can create remarkable results. The word atomic means something extremely small, and habit means the repeated actions that shape our life. So, atomic habits are small habits that may look insignificant today, but over time they create massive changes. James Clear explains that success is not created by one big decision. Success is the result of hundreds of small choices repeated every day. If you improve yourself by just 1% every day, the change may not be visible immediately. But these small improvements compound, just like interest on money. After 1 year, you can become many times better than where you started. Similarly, small negative habits also compound. A little procrastination, a little laziness, or a little distraction repeated daily can slowly take you away from your goals. Your life today is basically the result of your previous habits, and your future will be the result of your habits you build today. One of the most important lessons from Atomic Habit is forget about goals, focus on systems. Goals tell you where you want to go, but systems decide whether you will reach there or not. For example, a student's goal may be to get good marks, but the system is studying every day, revising regularly, and practicing questions. Without a proper system, a goal is only a wish. Successful people and unsuccessful people often have the same goals. Every athlete wants to win. Every student wants good marks. Every business owner wants good success. The difference is the daily system they follow. Another powerful idea from the book is the identity based habits. Most people focus on what they want to achieve. I want to lose weight. I want to read more books. I want to become successful. But James Clear says real change begins when you focus on who you want to become. Instead of saying, I want to read a book, say, I am a reader. Instead of saying, I want to exercise, say, I am a person who takes care of my body. Every action you take is like a vote for the person you want to become. Every time you study, you are proving that you are a disciplined person. Every time you exercise, you are proving that you are a healthy person. Your habits build your identity, and your identity strengthens your habits. Now, the question is, how do we actually build good habits? James Clear gives four simple laws of behavior change. The first law is make it obvious. Many times we fail because our environment doesn't support our habits. If you want to read more books, keep a book on your table where you can easily see it. If you want to drink more water, keep a water bottle near you. Your surroundings should remind you of the person you want to become. A useful technique is habit stacking. Connect a new habit with an existing habit. For example, after drinking my morning tea, I'll read for 10 minutes. After brushing my teeth, I will meditate for 2 minutes. Your old habit becomes a trigger for your new habit. The second law is make it attractive. Our brain repeats things that feel enjoyable. If a habit feels boring or painful, we avoid it. So connect your habit with something you enjoy. For example, if you find exercise boring, listen to your favorite music while exercising. If studying feels difficult, create a comfortable study environment and reward yourself after completing your work. The more attractive a habit feels, the easier it becomes to repeat. The third law is make it easy. Many people fail because they try to change everything at once. They decide, I'll study 10 hours every day. I'll exercise 2 hours daily. But big changes create resistance. So start small. James Clear talks about the 2-minute rule. When starting a new habit, make it so easy that it takes less than 2 minutes. Want to read books? Start by reading one page. Want to exercise? Start with 5 push ups. Want to write? Start with one sentence. The purpose is not immediate perfection, the purpose is to build consistency. A small habit completed every day is more powerful than a big habit you cannot maintain. The fourth law is make it satisfying. The human brain loves immediate rewards. Good habits are often difficult because the result come later. One workout will not transform your body. One day of study will not make you an expert, but each action is progress. Create small rewards that motivates you. Track your habits. Mark a calendar every day you complete your habit. Seeing your progress gives satisfaction and encourages you to continue. James Clear also explains that environment is more powerful than motivation. Many people think they need more motivation, but motivation changes every day. A better strategy is to design your environment. If you want to avoid distractions, keep your phone away while studying. If you want to eat healthy, keep healthy food easily available. Make Make good habits easier and bad habits harder. Another important concept is the plateau of improvement. When people start a new habit, they expect quick results. They exercise for a week and expect a complete transformation. They study for a few days and expect huge improvement. But progress is not always visible immediately. An ice cube doesn't melt when the temperature rises from minus 5 degrees to minus 1 degree. But when it reaches the right point, the change happens. Your efforts are never wasted, they are stored. You just need patience and consistency. Small actions repeated for months and years create extraordinary results. Atomic Habits teaches us that you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. If you want a better life, do not wait for a perfect moment. Start with one tiny improvement today. Read one page, exercise for 2 minutes, learn one new thing, remove one bad habit. Because success is not a single big event. Success is the result of small habits repeated again and again. Tiny changes create remarkable results. Your habits decide your future, and your future begins with the choices you make today. Thank you, everyone.